Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 22nd of July. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Pretty amazing. We had some showers and thunderstorms across the area yesterday, some severe weather depending on where you were, and now today we get a little bit of a break before the cold front comes through. It's very humid out there this morning, and that humidity means business. Dew points are generally in the 60s and lower 70s, depending on where you are. And it's actually going to get a little more humid later on today as we have that frontal system coming through. And with the heat, our heat indices are going to approach 90 degrees. Now, it's not going to be as hot as we saw. So if we had this kind of humidity and the temperature of 95, we'd be well into the 100s and we'd see heat advisories and all that stuff. But it's just not going to be hot enough. I also think there's going to be some cloud cover around the area. Dew points will start to fall back after 9 o'clock tonight. Any showers and thunderstorms coming to an end by that time. Not everybody's going to see them. I'd say there's about a 40% chance of thunderstorms, which means that roughly 40% of the area coverage will see some sort of showers or thunderstorms. So that means most of us don't. Tomorrow we're going to start around 60. When you get up, it'll be real pleasant, and it'll get up near 80 in the afternoon. By the way, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs, with offices in Concord, Needham, Danvers, as well as down on Cape Cod. And you can call them and they'll come out to your property and give it a little check for you. A lot of trees have been under stress with all the dry and warm weather this year, and they can actually do some soil health as well. The weather looks great. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all partly to mostly sunny with a few clouds maybe showing up late Sunday, right around 80 degrees with relatively low humidity. It's really going to be pretty stunning here. I have to say this is probably one of the nicest stretches of weather, with dew points forecast to perhaps stay under 60 degrees until sometime later Sunday, and then they'll creep up a little bit ahead of some showers early next week. Have a great day, everybody.